Babe, don't freak out. There's a huge spider on you. Wake up, you lazy ass!
Maldito hijo de puta, cabrón. Huevo.
What the f***?
Chill out, chill out.
Shut the f***.
Aquí tengo uno, aquí tengo uno.
Ahí vamos, ahí vamos. I get off early.
Do the zombie scream.
Christopher, that's such a nice build that you did. That's so cool.
Wow.
Or back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Hey, push off, bucko, push off, bucko, push off, bucko. What you get, bro?
Tag, you're it.
No! I don't like this game!
Let's go.
Gosh, I hate you so bad.
This got water.
Why are you with him?
Oh my god, damn!
Oh God! Yeah.
Aquí tengo uno, aquí tengo uno.
Ahí vamos, ahí vamos.
Up there. That was up.
What are you doing?
Mason, I love you, but why are you yelling?
So not only is there an evil Bong movie, which I've seen and it's terrible, I didn't know this. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 8 evil Bong movies. That's as many movies as Fast and the Furious. Just throwing it out there in the world.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Mach so, Auto so machen, ich machen so, aber...
People are freaking out about this f***ing lightning. I don't see any lightning.
Good job.
Oh.
Hey guys, I'm just gonna vacuum real quick. I'm sorry, it's gonna be loud.
You're good. You're fine.
Llame.
Peraí, esse moleque tá jogando muito, depois você pega no dedo.
You got some water. I see you there. Stop. No.
Do you know how much I love you? How much? You're my best friend. Wanna hold hands? Best friend. I love you.
Oh.
What's going on here? Oh, close the DVD. Nice. Oh.
Bro, what the...
Yeah.
Got your nose. Okay, 2001 called. They hit the second tower.
I got some big news today, but my mom is dead, so can you guys just pretend to be my mom for a minute? Okay, so guess what? I officially got hired in the ER.
There's the nearest grocery store.
Oh, double it and give it to the next person.
No.
She beats me at home.
Nuts and bolts that I found. Well, I say found, unscrewed.
Where did you unscrew them from?
I'd rather not say.
Hello.
Two tickets, please. For what movie?
What the heck?
Why do you think I only get rejected by ugly girls?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's weird. Anyway, do you want to go out some?
This looks like the perfect time to scream at the top of my lungs.
Oh, look at that. You found it.
I found it.
That means we can fix your car.
Are you ready to go to Disneyland?
Yeah.
I'm a real father. I make dreams come true. My son wanted a beard. I got him one. You look like baby Rick Ross, yeah. Let me see him.
Hey, babe. Would you still love me if I was fat?
Yeah, of course.
But, Mom, you are fat.
Sorry, bro. I almost forgot. All right. Good night, bro.
Sorry?
Can I get 40,000 pounds of beans?
Are you being serious?
I'll break the chain.
This is my boyfriend.
Oh.
Yeah. He's married, but we can be friends.
It's the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah?
I'm about to shit my pants. Can I come closer? Hi.
Do you like celery?
So what's your email?
Can I kiss you?
Right here? Okay, real quick.
Oh no, at gmail.com. Yeah, that's my email.
Headshot. Double kill. Yeah.
Bringing it in the house, but I got a fix for it. Perfect.
I asked for Sprite and they gave me clown juice.
Yum, yum, yum.